Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to reset the auxiliary battery on a 2013 BMW 3 Series Active 3 Hybrid. So to reset the auxiliary battery, now you have the auxiliary battery, you have the 12 volt battery, the main battery, and you have the high voltage battery. But you go to maintenance and then battery reset function, select BMW, select smart win. You can turn off the engine for about 10 seconds and then I'll turn it back on. Okay, so we can go to special functions. And then here you can reset or register your main battery, but we're interested in the auxiliary battery, the smaller battery on this vehicle. And then you can look at the history here by pressing 1. We actually just did that. You can see the current kilometers when the battery was last registered, which we just completed. But if you haven't and you see a different value there, all you need to do is press number 2 here, and that's going to register the battery. And then you can come back to history, and then you'll see that the current mileage is gonna match basically what is gonna match your mileage right now, even for the battery registration. And that's all. That's how you can do it. Once you're done with it, press 3 and exit this. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC.